What's up, YouTube?
What's up, guys?
Welcome to our channel. This is now desserts, and I made a strawberry fruit pizza, and we are ready to start eating.
About to dig in.
Yeah, he's been craving this for a while, so I decided to make it. Baby just had some dinner, so he gets pups because.
I'm assuming we cut it with this.
Darn, I forgot the darn knife. Can you go get a knife?
Gotcha.
Yummy. Not a butter knife. A knife. Like a sharp knife. Who gets a butter knife to cut a dessert? This is not a pie. Even with pie, you use sharp knives. Never let your husband choose a knife. Because he's going to get the longest knife in the world.
Only knife we have. Bigger. Which one to bet?
It doesn't matter about the... This is... Never mind.
Just cut.
Never mind.
Just
Yeah,
cut.
blah.
Got it.
Hush.
Thanks.
How big a piece do you want?
Trying to stick me, bro.
I barely cut it.
I know. I'm trying to stick
How
me.
big a piece do you want?
Big. Where are you going?
Don't try to
Right
show
there.
off.
Left. Go left. Right there's perfect.
Ah, that's all you can do.
That's a good sized piece, bro.
I taught you better. It's gonna be crunchy crust.
Where's this?
I know, kind of. The knife you gave me sucks.
I think it's operator error, but.
Show you operator error. Okay. Well, the video is going to be on me trying to get this pizza out.
Oh, that's funny.
Oh well. Where did I cut it?
I don't know.
Okay, this is a fail.
Use this side. Go to that side. Let me see.
Do you think you could do better?
Yeah.
Okay, I got it. It's gonna be some crumbles, but... Oh my... I quit.
Bear no quits. Let me see it.
I don't know why. It's all breaking, I think.
Hold it up. Yeah, how you did it?
Okay. I'm not gonna lie, that was a workout.
Oh, that helped if you
And
cut
he
it,
acts like he can do it, and you're messing up the pie.
You didn't cut it right, that's why.
You're messing up the pie. Oh my gosh. All that work for no reason.
Gotta cut the rest of this right here, but bam.
Dude, you're making it look like cereal.
It's not cut right here. Choose the butter knife. Oh, hey, what do you know? Butter knife worked. How many pieces you want, babe? I got you. I'll get that in a second.
I can do it. Leave me alone. You're over there messing up my dessert.
Oh, use the butter knife.
You don't know what you want to do. Butter knife. Butter knife, schmutter knife.
That's my piece.
Not anymore. Butter knife don't work.
It does.
Got it. It's a thick cookie, that's why.
That butter knife didn't work. Oh. Magically delicious. It's about to go down.
It's delicious.
Yeah, just a little bit hard enough. What's it called?
Shut up. You're not
Shut
Gordon
up.
Ramsay.
Ow.
Hold on.
This is really good.
This is good, but I originally like it to be in the refrigerator for like a day, because then the cookie gets really soft. Some people like it crunchy. I like it more on the softer side. Other than that, it's good.
It's bomb either way.
Well, it took about 10 years to cut it.
I use 2 hands.
Yeah, cookie crust is super
Thick.
very thick. But like I said, it's best worth the set for a day. But Mr. Impatient wanted dessert tonight. Tomorrow will be better.
Still bomb right now.
The filling is my favorite.
Oops.
I like to put like a thicker layer. Most people do like a really thin layer. I like a thicker layer. Yeah, are your stuff ready? Man.
No pops.
Yummy? That's what I'm about.
Bomb.
.com. That's his nickname, or one of his nicknames from me. I call him .com. Don't ask me why, just do.
And he's excited for his dessert too.
You don't get dessert just yet. I would give him some yogurt, but it's too much food.
Oh man.
Making a mess.
Blame you.
I didn't make the mess. You made the mess. We totally could have took down more, but just had dinner. Again, Mr. Impatient.
I'm clapping. Is that good? It is. Excuse me. It's wet.
Don't touch that.
What?
Probably with water and stuff, but no.
Why are you gonna put everything for the?
I'm picky. Use that knife. Use the good knife.
What are you talking about?
It's so cute. Dude, it's a 9:30 at night and we're eating all this calories. I'm gonna let my stomach settle and watch my favorite show.
Yeah, this knife sucks. Says the knife is not good, my friend.
You just don't know how to cut.
You did the exact same thing. The butter knife.
No,
that was
hater.
a lot better.
Later. Well, not my fault. You put the butter knife right there and got all wet.
Nope.
I want to hear it.
Guess I gotta take this piece too. This is a total fail. Gonna go lefty on him. Bam. Bam. Want a piece? I got one for you.
No. What's wrong, baby? My favorite part is the filling. It's so good. Like, I like cookies and stuff, but it's nothing like the middle. This reminds me of just like a cheesecake pie. I love cheesecake and I love pie. Like, love pie. We should do Marie Callender's mukbang. Which one, Papas?
Your Barbara's tired. Oh. You get the cookie?
Nah. Cookie's kind of sweet. I like sweets, but not when stuff is like very sweet. What's wrong, Papa?
You okay?
What are you doing?
He's tired.
That's okay, Papa. It's okay, Kim.
I'll get your apple.
I think he wants some of my food.
I'm tired. He's tired.
Nope. Come on, Papa. Hey, bro.
Finish that again.
Yummy? You made a sour face.
You okay? Alright, I'm good.
Dang, bro.
It's okay. We're almost done. Let me get you right now. I'll wipe you up first.
Alright. I think I'm good.
Good?
Clutch. Not too bad. Ate about what, half? Somewhat.
About half. It's okay, Papas.
Not too bad. Oh yeah. So we're definitely full. Okay. Alright, so that concludes our mukbang. If you like the recipe, comment below and I will maybe make a video for the recipe. Have a good night.